Dogs are one of the pets that have been very close to humans since time immemorial. The relationship between dogs and humans is very old. Humans feel very good with them, and dogs are very loyal to their owners. Well, today we are going to tell you some such facts about dogs. So, let's get started. Fact number 1. Just as we humans have individual fingerprints, all the dogs in the world have different nose print. Yes. All the dogs in the world have a different nose print, and they can be recognized by their nose prints. Fact number 2. Your dog can smell your feelings. In fact, your dog's sense of smell is approximately 100,000 times better than yours. So, it shouldn't be shocking that they can in fact smell things such as fear. When a human is fearful, they perspire, and a dog is easily able to pick up on this change. Fact number 3. Petting a dog can actually benefit your physical and mental health. Studies have shown that petting a dog for 15 minutes can lower blood pressure by 10%, can help lower feelings of stress, depression, and combat loneliness. Fact number 4. Dogs have wet noses, but do you know why they have wet noses? Actually, dogs have wet noses because it helps to absorb scent chemicals. Fact number 5. Did you know before today that dogs can be used to detect cancer in humans? Dogs can be trained to detect cancer and other diseases in humans. Cancerous cells release different metabolic waste products than healthy cells in the human body. Dogs may even be able to sniff out cancer cells simply through smelling someone's breath. Fact number 6. Do you have a dog that experiences separation anxiety? Try leaving some clothing with him that you have worn. It's been proven that the scent you leave behind on your clothes can help ease your dog's separation anxiety. Fact number 7. Chocolate can be very deadly to dogs due to containing the ingredient theobromine. Dogs cannot metabolize theobromine, and ingesting chocolate could cause a severely toxic buildup in their system which could become fatal. Fact number 8. 3 dogs survived the historical sinking of the Titanic in 1912. 2 Pomeranians and 1 Pekingese, all from first-class cabins. Fact number 9. 45% of dogs sleep in their owners' beds. Hopefully those puppies share the blanket. Fact number 10. A study at UCSD claims that your dog can genuinely get jealous when they see you display affection for another creature. Fact number 11. If your dog excitedly wags its tail, it means it's happy to see you, right? Not necessarily. According to research, dogs wag their tails to the right when they're happy and to the left when they're frightened. Wagging low means they're insecure. Fact number 12. Puppies are born blind and deaf. Newborn dogs are still developing, according to psychology, so their ear canals and eyes are still closed. Most puppies open their eyes and respond to noises after about 2 weeks. Fact number 13. Did you know? Dogs pooping has a pattern. Ever wonder why dogs like to twirl around before they do their business? Well, it's one of the many dog behaviors that perplex researchers, but the prevailing theory is that it has to do with the Earth's magnetic field. Dogs like to poop facing north or south, and spinning around helps them correctly orient their internal compass. Fact number 14. Stray dogs in Russia have learned how to ride the complex subway system, and get off at specific stops in search of food. Fact number 15. Your dog's feet might smell like corn. Some pet owners might notice the faint scent of corn chips or popcorn lingering around their dog. This is called free-to-feed, and it happens when sweat and bacteria build up in the paws. Did you know these interesting facts about dogs before today? Let us know in the comments section. Thanks for watching. We hope you like our today's video. Please share and like the video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel.